The sudden events of people having their bank accounts closed or frozen by the banks or put on hold for investigation should encourage you guys to register a business if you are in business. So if you have your normal, 9 to 5, you work 9 hours and 5 days a week, and you're also having a side hustle, you should absolutely consider registering a business. I know a lot of people have concerns with tax. If I register a company, I am going to be paying tax. Well, tax evasion is not something that we can encourage, but tax is not paid based on revenue. Tax is going to be paid based on the profit that you are making in your business. Okay, so let's talk about the advantages of you registering a company as opposed to you actually trading on your personal account. When you're trading on your personal account, you're getting multiple sources of income coming in, undeclared. The bank is seeing all that activity that is happening on your bank account. They don't know if you are, if, for example, the person that deposits the money into your bank account, if, for example, by any kind of bad luck, you get someone who deposits money into your personal bank account who is actually being investigated, who's under an investigation for whatever reasons, your account is actually at a risk of being frozen. Your personal bank account is going to be frozen because the person who's being investigated for fraud or any kind of illegal activities, they transfer money to your bank account. Maybe they're buying a product. Then when that person who's suspected is going to be seen as them laundering money into your personal bank account. But then if you had a business, then you would be able to separate the business activities to your personal activities. So when you are having a business, then you can actually prove that I issued an invoice to this person because they were buying A, B, C, D. So that is the proof why they actually were transferring the money to you. So if the bank is asking, why was that person paying you? That's a regular customer. I had no resources to actually find out if they were being fraudulent or not. So this is what happened. I issued this invoice and they were paying based on this invoice. So you see how that protects you. So most people that have concerns about tax is not paid based on revenue. Tax is not paid based on the money that you are receiving. Tax is paid on profit. So let's look at tax. No one is encouraged to evade tax. Tax is actually a responsibility of everyone who is living in South Africa and who is receiving income. So if you have your primary income from your 9 to 5, you work 9 hours, 5 days a week, and you have a side hustle that is generating income, you also have a responsibility to pay tax on the profits that you are making on that side hustle that you are doing. So you need to make sure that, so protect yourself, register a business. Do not wait until the side